Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about what basically is chemistry. So without wasting any time, let's get back to the lecture. So chemistry is basically a branch of science which deal with the matter and the changes undergo. So this is basically the definition of the chemistry. Now let's understand it with a simple example. As chemistry is a branch of science, right? And which is which deal with the matter, right? Which deal with the matters and the changes undergo, right? Changes. Okay. So chemistry is a branch of science which deal with the matter and the changes undergo, right? So matter. What basically is matter? Matter is anything which which occupies space and has mass. That particular thing can be in the form of solid, liquid, or gas, right? Let's take a simple example. For example, water. Water is in the form of liquid and it has some sort of weight and it has also mass, so water is basically matter. Talking about another example, solid. As chocolate is in the form of solid state and it has some sort of a mass, so chocolate will also come in the matter example, right? As chocolate is also matter. So this is all about the matter. I hope you understand it. Now talking about the changes, there are two types of changes, physical changes and the chemical changes. Talking about the physical changes are basically those changes in which there is no chemical reaction involved and no new product is made. For example, you can think of a chocolate, and when it is heated, it melts. As looking back at this particular change, it is basically a physical change as there is no chemical reaction involved and no new product is made. So this is all about the physical changes. I hope you understand it. Now going towards the chemical changes are basically those changes which involve a chemical reaction and a new product is formed. For example, a rusting which involves a chemical reaction and it is giving a new product which is iron. And similarly, a photosynthesis process which occur in the form of sunlight. Photosynthesis process in which there is a chemical reaction involved and it is giving us a new product which is called as chlorophyll, which plant inhale in order to grow in the form of sunlight. So this is all about the chemical change. And now I think you have clearly understand what basically chemistry means, as we have discussed in detail with respect to the definition that what chemistry is all about, as it is a branch of science which deal with the matter. Matter is basically anything which occupies space that particular and has mass. So that particular thing can be in the form of solid, liquid, or gas, and then and it also involves some changes undergo. That changes can be in the form of physical changes and the chemical changes. Physical changes are those changes in which there is no new product is formed and there is no chemical reaction involved. For example, melting of chocolate, as it is giving us no new product and it doesn't involve any chemical reaction, and then going towards the chemical changes which involves a chemical reaction and new product is formed. Then we have seen example like rusting, as it is giving us a new product and it also involves a chemical reaction, and then photosynthesis. So this is all about a what basically is chemistry. I hope you understand the lecture. We will meet in the next video with the next topic. Till then, goodbye.